All right, so part 2 of chapter 9 is going to be our special journal that deals with purchases. So the purchases account, as you can see, is strictly to record the cost of merchandise bought for resale. Okay, so again, you're looking at a purchase order. The seller sends the invoice to show the acceptance of the purchase request. So again, on occasion, last time we talked about if somebody returned something to you, we're going to be looking at now as a business, if you return merchandise to somebody else, you're going to be using an account called purchases, returns, and allowances. So we'll look at what that looks like here today in your assignment. We are not going to do those. Okay, the other thing that's new for you guys this chapter is when we're talking about freight. So freight would essentially just be the same thing as shipping. So freight costs are expressed as either free on board, which means the buyer's location. So the seller assumes the entire cost. Okay, that would be FOB destination. Okay, then there's FOB shipping point. So if the buyer is responsible for paying the freight cost, the shipping terms are called shipping point. So let's think about that kind of like how we can relate to it. So FOB destination would mean that the person you are buying from pays your shipping. So say you buy something from Amazon and it's free shipping. Okay, that would be FOB destination. If you pay for the shipping, like say you purchase a new baseball bat and you have to pay shipping, then that would be considered the FOB shipping point. So when goods are shipped, FOB destination, the freight charges are not stated. They're just simply involved in the invoice. If you pay the shipping, then it's handled one of two different ways. You can either pay directly to the shipper, like the transportation company, or you may pay the person you bought it from, and it's listed separately on the invoice. Okay, accounts payable. Remember yesterday you worked on an accounts receivable ledger where every person had their own individual account. Same thing today, except you're looking at people you owe money to. Okay, again, broken down, or when you list it, they're listed alphabetically, and so you might want to go in and say, okay, how much do I owe Mr. Smith? Okay, and then you could go into his accounts payable, and you could see how much at any point you owe that person or that business. So again, we're working on our special journals. Yesterday, you guys learned about the sales journal. Today, we're going to practice the purchases journal. So kind of take a look at this. Sales journal is merchandise sold on account only. Purchases is to record the purchase of merchandise. Okay, so if you were to buy like supplies for your store, you wouldn't be able to use your purchases journal. Okay, it is only for merchandise purchased on account. So when you test, we're going to combine these two, and you're going to have to decide which journal it goes into, or it could possibly have to go into your general journal.